are going to be headed to Universal.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Are you making a YouTube video?
Happy birthday!
That is not the move. What's up? I actually look kind of good.
Actually, of course, that's every day.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We are on our way to Universal Studios.
My lashes on. My lashes look pretty.
You already look pretty. This is gonna be a fight. Excuse me. Will you look at this really quick?
Right here.
Thank you.
What is that?
Appreciate this. Appreciate face. Easy for you.
What's up? I'm Allison. We going to Universal today. Gang, gang.
Dogs are asleep. We are gonna have so much fun. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Oh my gosh, going on our first ride. Aurora. Hi, beautiful. Yes. Happy birthday, girl.
Services. We'll break for lunch after we get this shot. Roll sound.
Sound speed?
Here we go. Roll camera.
My name's Jasmine, and this is my friend Dapper. Dapper and I both work for a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Something you may not realize is many of your favorite animal stars are rescues, and just like Dapper, they got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later in the show, we're going to reveal to you just what Dapper and his friends had to learn in order to get their big break, but until then, buddy, I know there's friends.
One of the first things we teach our dogs is a mark. It tells them where to stand in their seat. It's usually a small black circle just like this. We can place it anywhere on the movie set and they'll know where they need to go. Are you ready? Get on your mark. Good try. Get on your mark. Good. Sit. Pull over.
Lean over and whisper 2 items of clothing to Trip, and he's gonna run backstage and grab them for you, okay? So whenever you're ready, ask him for any two things. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Bobbing and weaving. Woo! 6 seconds! Great job, Team Clover. Great cheering over here. You two can go ahead and relax in your trailer. Gotta get all our treats. Team Riley, you're up next, and he's a high flyer. Make sure he can hear you. Lights, camera, action! He's supposed to go over the hurdle and through the poles. Okay. Do you guys want to do a take 2? This doesn't seem to be quite working out.
Oh my god!
Oh no, bud, stand up. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Bobbing and weaving. Woo! 6 seconds! Great job, Team Clover. Great cheering over here. You two can go ahead and relax in your trailer. Gotta get all our treats. Team Riley, you're up next, and he's a high flyer. Make sure he can hear you. Lights, camera, action! He's supposed to go over the hurdle and through the poles. Okay. Do you guys want to do a take 2? This doesn't seem to be quite working out.
Oh my god!
Oh no, bud, stand up. The cat scan's gonna tell us exactly what's wrong. That's an actual cat, that's not what I meant. Oh no, he's chasing the cat! Somebody grab the dog! Amy, have you seen Riley? Well, he came back here chasing the cat. Okay, well, you keep looking back here. I'm gonna go check out the stage.
Oh my god.
You guys, the guinea pigs are out again. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to follow them and make sure we got all those guinea pigs home safely.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.
How about a big round of applause for all of our animal stars and their trainers? My name's Jasmine. I want to thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed.
Question. What's the difference between this sink and that sink? And that sink and that sink? What's the difference? Why?
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the